Hi everyone, today I'm going to share some effective life hacks on how to properly and quickly wipe the dust. Also, don't forget to chat in bio. Let's get started. Use a damp cloth or microfiber cloth. It collects dust better than dry cloths and does not spread it through the air. Add a little vinegar or lemon juice to the water to help remove static charge and reduce dust attraction. Wipe from top to bottom to prevent dust from falling on already clean surfaces. For hard-to-reach areas, use a soft brush or long-handled rag to reach corners and high surfaces easily. Change cloths regularly to prevent dust from smearing, wash or change them after each use. Ventilate the room before cleaning. The fresh air will help reduce the amount of dust in the air and make cleaning easier. Wipe surfaces diagonally or in a circular motion to better collect dust and avoid streaks. If my life hacks were useful for you, give me a like and comment. See you later. Bye bye.